Hi folks, happy Thanksgiving! Guess what? I baked my first pumpkin pie. The recipe called for 2 pumpkin pies, so I just did 2. I'm planning to eat them both. I love pumpkin pies. The first one came out a little bit burnt, but the second one came out okay. I'm going to show you the picture really quick. Don't they look yummy? Well, as you can see, the first one came out a little bit burnt, but the second one came out just fine. And once I sliced them and topped them with whipped cream, they would probably look extra yummy. So, I've sliced the first pumpkin pie because the second one's still a little warm at this point, and I'm still waiting for it to cool down a little bit, but the first one is ready. I baked them both in my little toaster oven, and so I had to bake them one at a time because the toaster oven wasn't big enough to bake both of them at the same time. Slice from the first pumpkin pie. And guess what? I got whipped cream. Ding, ding, ding. Whipped. Dairy whipped topping. Whip it. Pointy little thing on this little seal here. Okay. It's out. Shake it. Absolutely yummy. Now I'm going to go and get me a fork. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I have been waiting for this pumpkin pie since Halloween, and today is Thanksgiving, so it's about a month. I had the ingredients waiting for me in my little cupboard, and then today I just could not wait anymore. Bon appetit! Really good. Haters!